In this video, we are going to learn about how to create a point shapefile in ArcGIS Pro. For that, first go to Catalog and expand folder where you want to save the shapefile. Let's right click on the folder and click on New and then Shapefile. Within the Create Feature class geoprocessing tool, we will create our shapefile, and here we need to write the name, and let's write it water. We will create some points within this water body, and then geometry type. This is the most important thing. Here you need to select the point, and other things you can select a coordinate system. Let's select the current map coordinate system, that is web marketer, and run. This will create the feature class for the shapefile. Basically, this is the point shapefile. You can see that the shapefile is created. Let's move it up from the base map. Let's select a symbology. Let's use this one. And properties, let's change the color to something like yellow and apply. Now our symbology is ready. We will put 1 point per this water body. For that, need to go to edit and then create, and then within this click on the water. Now we can put our point wherever we want. You can see that we have duplicated one. To remove that, let's select the point and click on the delete button on keyboard and click yes. So 2 more duplication. Now to create, click on the create and select this. Let's put one here. And when you are done, just click save. Now let's click on select menu. Let's clear selection. If you want to see the attribute table, let's see. Go to right click and go to attribute table. Here we can see that 14 points have been created. Now if we want to calculate the x and y coordinate of this point, we can also do that. For that, we need to add 2 fields. One is for x, and let's make it float and save. And another one is y, and this is also float and save. Now close this. To calculate the x and y coordinate, we need to calculate the geometry. For that, right click on the x column and go to calculate geometry, and within the calculate geometry in the x field property, let's select the point x coordinate and let's apply. Now x coordinate is measured in meter based on the coordinate system. If you want to calculate this as decimal degree, you can select another coordinate system, and that should be WGS 4326, WGS 1984, geographic world coordinate system, and OK. Now apply. And now you can see that our coordinate has been calculated in decimal degree. And also for y, let's select y, and for y we will calculate the y coordinate and apply. Okay, now we have successfully calculated the x and y coordinate of our created points. Thanks for watching.